Good afternoon, teacher. My name is Maria Fernanda Curay, and today we will be presenting our final project. The company we choose for this analysis is Gloria, one of the most influential and recognized brands in Peru, especially in the dairy and food industry. Introduction. Gloria S.A. is a leading Peruvian company in the dairy and food industry, recognized for its strong presence both nationally and internationally. Founded in 1941, Gloria has become a core player in the Peruvian market, known for producing milk, yogurt, cheese, and other dairy products that are consumed daily by millions of households. Over the years, the company has managed to broaden its product portfolio, entering new sectors such as juices, canned goods. Its success is based on a customer-focused approach, continuing innovation, and a commitment to ensuring high-quality standards. Gloria's stakeholders include farmers, suppliers, distributors, and consumers, and all of whom play a vital role in its profitability and long-term sustainability.
Hello, my name is Alexandra Calderon Surco, and I will talk about the mission, vision, and market research of the company Gloria S.A. Gloria's mission is to offer their customers high-quality products. The company focuses on creating value through nutrition, safety, and constant innovation. Their mission highlights strong relationships with the customers and also reliable core values. The ownership needing to maintain high standards across all the production processes. For example, Gloria ensures that its milk production followed strict quality controls to guarantee safe and nutritious products for Peruvian families. Another example is the company's continuous innovation in new product lines, such as fortified beverages, which help meet the nutritional needs of different customer segments. Now we're going to talk about the vision. Gloria's vision is to consolidate its leadership in every market where it operates. The company aims to expand, broaden opportunities, and keep delivering products that are accessible and trusted. This vision acts as a strategic roadmap, ensuring that the company stays in sync with market demands while strengthening its long-term profitability. For example, the company has expanded its presence in Latin America, entering new markets while maintaining the same high-quality standards. Market research. For direct competitors, we have Laive and Nestlé Peru. Both brands sell dairy products such as evaporated milk, yogurt, and cheese. They distribute through supermarkets, retailers, or local outlets. On the other hand, this brand approach focuses more on price and variety. Now we have indirect competitors. We can consider AGE Group and Alicorp because they sell juices and non-dairy beverages. They offer alternatives that can replace dairy consumption, using different price strategies and selling through convenience stores, supermarkets, and regional markets. Thank you. My partner Josue is going to continue the presentation.
My name is José Jorge Culque Perez. The Gloria SWOT analysis. Gloria is a strong and trusted brand. It has been present in Peru for a lot of years. That allowed the company to leverage its reputation when introduced new products. Also has a broad product portfolio from traditional dairy items to juices and processed foods. That gives Gloria resilience when consumers' preferences shift. There are some weaknesses, for example, some areas that still face skill gaps and outdated technology, which can hinder performance and slow down the improvements. And at times, certain parts of the production chain have experienced understaffing, creating extra pressure on teams and affecting workflow. There are some opportunities, for example, the growing demand for healthier and functional foods. That gives Gloria a chance to leverage new product lines such as lactose-free options, fortified items, and plant-based alternatives. Also, the increase of the digitalization. It has increased the online sales. They can improve their data-driven marketing and the analytics to understand consumer behavior more deeply. That leads to like local and international competitors who moved quickly with plant-based substitutes and health-oriented products. And there are regulatory changes, especially in nutritional labeling, food safety, or sustainability that can raise compliance costs. The political, economical, social, and technological analysis. Starting with the political, the food regulations in Peru continue to evolve, especially regarding labeling and nutritional transparency. So Gloria must stay attentive to new rules to avoid issues that could harm consumer trust. Also, the government initiatives aim at supporting local farmers that can influence the cost and availability of raw milk, a key input for the company. In economical, the inflation and fluctuations in the exchange rate can impact the price of ingredients, packaging, and logistics, putting pressure on production costs. The exchanges in consumer purchasing power, especially during economic slowdowns, can push shoppers towards cheaper alternatives, directly affecting demand. In social, the Peruvian consumers are increasingly focused on healthier lifestyles, driving demand for low-sugar products, lactose-free items, and foods with added nutritional benefits. Dairy has a strong cultural presence in the Peruvian diet, which still gives Gloria an advantage. But this tradition is slowly shifting as younger consumers explore plant-based options. And finally, the technological advances in food processing and packaging provide opportunities for Gloria to adopt more cutting-edge methods that extend shelf life and improve product safety. Automation and modern production systems help reduce errors, increase efficiency, and alleviate the effects of understaffing in critical areas.
Porter's five forces. Threat of new entrants, impact low. Entering the dairy industry is difficult due to high production costs, technical requirements, strict health regulations, and Gloria's strong distribution network. These barriers protect Gloria's market position. A few new competitors can match its quality, resources, and customer relationships. Competition. Impact medium high. Gloria competes with brands like Live, Nestlé, and Soyvida, which constantly innovate with healthier and plant-based options. Although Gloria holds a strong market share, it must invest in advertising, quality, and innovation to remain relevant against increasingly strong rivals. Power of suppliers. Impact medium. Suppliers provide essential inputs such as raw milk and packaging. While there are many suppliers available, switching can be costly and affect quality control. Gloria focuses on long-term sustainable partnerships to reduce supply risk and maintain operational stability. Power of customer. Impact high. Customers have a strong influence because they can easily choose competing brands. Past controversies show that customers' decisions directly affect Gloria's reputation and sales. Growing demand for healthier and more natural products forces Gloria to adapt its strategies to maintain trust and loyalty. 3 associative products. Impact medium. Plant-based options like soy, almond, and oatmeal are increasingly popular, making substitutes more relevant. While Gloria's strength lies in quality and trust, the company must innovate, such as offering lactose-free or plant-based alternatives, to stay aligned with the customer preference and remain competitive.
Digital marketing. Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube. Education, content about nutrition, recipes, action Gloria products, collaboration with food influencers and microcreators, TV commercials, radio, sports, e-vision, and outdoor advertising. Trade marketing. Marketing action in supermarkets and small stores. Specialty day and it as well. Promotions for 2 for 1. Posters, tasting, vending, refrigeration. Social marketing. Action designed to support social causes, which include education programs, and donation to emergencies. Dairy products, milk, Nestlé Perú, EFB, Pura Vida y Bonle. Nestlé Perú, evaporated milk, milk ideal, yogurt, the desert, and of Gloria's strong compassion. EFB, milk, yogurt, butter. Direct competition, quality, price, and variety. Pura Vida. Alton in belong to the small group in competitive price market. Only a slow part than the group Gloria, positioned to compete in more affluent segment. Training and people, orientation and onboard program of new employees, and good manufacturing, industrial safety, quality and products process, performance management, periodic performance evaluation, improvement plan and structure, recognition programs, and works operation and products, occupational health and safety, strong focus on accident prevention, strict protocols, and the evidence and registration and drugs. Organizational culture and culture based on disciplines, quality, responsibility, and efficiency. Promotion and teamwork and respectful work and every month. Constant interest and communication and employees and with corporate goals. Labor relation, coordination with unions, with applicants, collect and compress with labor regulation, penetration and recruitment. Hearing quality, technical operation and professionalism, competence-based evaluation process, promotion and local production plan and locate.
In conclusion, Gloria S.A. is seen as one of Peru's most influential and respected companies, maintaining its leadership through quality, innovation, and a deep understanding of customers' needs. Despite facing competitive pressure demanding customers and a growing percent of substitute products, Gloria has managed to stay relevant thanks to its strong brand reputation, diversified portfolio, and commitment to continuous improvement. The company's mission and vision guide its long-term strategy, ensuring that it remains focused on delivering safe, nutritious, and accessible products not only to Peruvian households but to international markets as well. Through strong partnerships with suppliers, constant market research, and ability to adapt to changing industry trends, Gloria demonstrates resilience and readiness to face future challenges. With these strengths and a clear strategic direction, the company is well positioned to maintain its leadership and continue expanding sustainably. So that's all. Thank you for listening.